In the digital age, platforms like Pinterest offer fertile ground for turning creative pursuits into lucrative endeavors. With its visually captivating interface and engaged user base, Pinterest presents a wealth of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs to monetize their passions and expertise. Achieving the milestone of earning $5,000 a month through Pinterest requires a strategic approach that encompasses niche selection, content curation, engagement strategies, and monetization tactics. By understanding the nuances of the platform and leveraging its features effectively, individuals can carve out a successful presence and tap into the platform's potential for generating a sustainable income stream. Embarking on the journey to make $5,000 a month through Pinterest involves navigating a dynamic landscape where creativity meets commerce. From curating captivating content to optimizing profiles and engaging with audiences, each step plays a crucial role in building a successful presence on the platform. By blending strategic planning with authentic engagement and leveraging the diverse array of tools and features offered by Pinterest, individuals can unlock the pathway to financial success and realize their earning potential in the digital realm. In the vast expanse of the digital world, Pinterest emerges as a promising avenue for those seeking to turn their passions into profit. The platform's visually driven nature and engaged user base offer a fertile ground for entrepreneurial ventures. Achieving the goal of making $5,000 a month through Pinterest requires a strategic approach and a deep understanding of the platform's dynamics. To start on Pinterest, it's important to pick a topic that you love and that other people are interested in. This topic will be the center of what you share on Pinterest and who you want to reach. Whether it's home decoration, fashion, cooking, or exercise, choosing a topic that excites you and others will set the stage for success. Choosing a niche helps you become a trusted source in that area. It allows you to create content that connects with people who are interested in what you have to share. With a clear focus, you can tailor your pins to attract followers who are genuinely interested in what you offer. This way, you can build a community of engaged followers who can help you reach your financial goals on Pinterest. Once you've decided on your niche, it's time to create content that grabs people's attention on Pinterest. Your pins should be eye-catching, helpful, and give something valuable to your audience. Whether you're sharing pictures that inspire, guides that help, or recommendations for products, the important thing is to offer content that interests and excites people. Make sure each pin you create is visually appealing and easy to understand. People scroll through a lot of pins on Pinterest, so yours need to stand out. By providing content that people find useful and enjoyable, you increase the chances of them saving, sharing, and engaging with your pins. This helps you grow your following and reach your goal of making $5,000 a month through Pinterest. Making sure your Pinterest profile and boards are set up just right is super important for getting more people to see your content. Use words that describe what you do in your profile and board titles so when people search for stuff, they can find you easily. Also, organize your boards in a way that makes sense and looks good so it's easy for people to find what they're looking for when they visit your profile. When your profile and boards are optimized, it makes it easier for people to discover your content and check out what you have to offer. By using the right keywords and organizing your boards neatly, you increase the chances of attracting followers and getting more engagement on your pins. This helps you grow your audience and get closer to reaching your goal of making $5,000 a month through Pinterest. Engagement is key to building a loyal and active following on Pinterest. Interact with your audience by repinning, commenting, and liking their content, fostering a sense of community and connection. Additionally, participating in group boards and collaborating with other users can help expand your reach and attract new followers. In addition to organic growth strategies, consider leveraging Pinterest's advertising options to further boost your visibility and reach. Promoted pins allow you to target specific demographics and interests, ensuring that your content is seen by those most likely to engage with it. By investing in strategic advertising campaigns, you can accelerate your growth and increase your chances of reaching the $5,000 monthly milestone. Consistency is crucial when it comes to maintaining a successful presence on Pinterest. Regularly update your boards with fresh content, engage with your audience, and monitor your analytics to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. By staying active and responsive, you can nurture your audience and cultivate a loyal following over time. As you grow your presence on Pinterest, don't forget to leverage other social media platforms and channels to further amplify your reach and drive traffic to your content. Share your pins on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and include Pinterest widgets on your website or blog to encourage visitors to follow you on Pinterest. Diversifying your revenue streams can also help you reach your financial goals on Pinterest. Consider monetizing your content through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling your own products or services. By exploring multiple income streams, you can increase your earning potential and achieve the $5,000 monthly mark more quickly. Networking and collaboration are powerful tools for expanding your reach and growing your audience on Pinterest. Reach out to other creators and influencers in your niche to explore opportunities for collaboration, cross-promotion, or guest pinning. By tapping into each other's audiences, you can mutually benefit from increased exposure and engagement. In conclusion, making $5,000 a month through Pinterest requires a strategic approach, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of your audience and niche. By curating captivating content, optimizing your profile and boards, engaging with your audience, and exploring advertising and monetization options, you can build a successful and sustainable presence on Pinterest that generates a steady income stream. With dedication and perseverance, reaching your financial goals on Pinterest is within reach.